How's it going? Welcome to the channel. This is something that I haven't tried before, so if this doesn't sound like something that you want to look at more often, please voice your opinion in the comment section below. Anyways, I just want to talk to you all today about Nova Launcher. So I was an Android user for about 10 years and I've used Nova Launcher as my primary launcher. I paid for that launcher like when that thing was like $2 or something stupid like that. It's one of the most popular launchers and I hear a lot of people talking about it, but when I see other people using it, I kind of feel like there's so much that they don't know about Nova Launcher. It does so much more than just being a clone of Pixel Launcher. So I just want to make this video to show you all what I could do with Nova Launcher, and hopefully this will teach you something and hopefully this will benefit you in some way or the other. Anyways, if that sounds interesting, let's get started.
The first thing that I have is adding widgets directly from the app icons. If you long tap an app icon, this little icon with multiple boxes will let you access widgets from this app. You don't really have to go through a scrolling list of endless widgets trying to find the exact one that you were looking for. While we are here in this long tap menu, you're also going to see some shortcuts that are in here. These are only available for apps that support it, so if you don't see it on your favorite app, the developer is more than likely not going to implement them anymore. Anyways, long tapping an icon to select another action is probably a good way to access quick actions, but a better way would be to simply take this action and place it onto your home screen. The next tip is for all the customization lovers out there. Nova Launcher has a ton of customizable icon packs, but every now and then there's this one app that the developer doesn't care about, but you really care about and you don't want to replace it. So on Nova Launcher, you can change the icon for that app alone. If you long tap the app, tap on the pencil icon, tap on the app icon after that, you will be able to select a different icon for this app alone. But it gets better, because if you tap on the name of your icon pack like a normie and scroll through the endless list of icons to select the perfect one, you're doing it wrong. But instead, if you long tap the icon pack, you will be taken to the icon pack app and you will be able to search for the icon that you're looking for. And when you select the icon that you've searched for, it would automatically be imported into Nova Launcher and applied to the application you were editing.
So one of the things that Pixel purists really talk about is that they really want to have that Google feed on the left side, so they have access to all the data that they've given to Google compiled in one area and shown back to them. And they believe that if they move to a third-party launcher, if they move to something more customizable, they're going to lose that, but not with Nova Launcher.
To your surprise, Nova Launcher allows you to have that Google feed. You can install this application called Nova Companion, and after installing this application, the leftmost page on your home screen is the Google feed, as it would be on Pixel Launcher. So if you have Nova Launcher Prime, you can change the gestures what happen on your home screen. On my home screen, for instance, I have the search show up when I press the home button. The best part of this feature is not being able to search things that are already installed on your phone, but if you search for an app that does not exist on your phone, you can click on the left side that will search it on Google, or you can tap on the right side of the name to search it in the Play Store. Another feature that I think is something that used to be famous but a lot of people forgot about it is called Flick to Delete. So if you have icons on your home screen and you want to get rid of them, all you need to do is long tap them, slide them around a little bit and flick them up. So when you flick something in the upward direction, it is considered as a delete action. It gets removed from your home screen. It's not an uninstall action, so don't worry about that. It just gets removed from your home screen. You can go back and bring it back out if you want to.
I don't really want to switch back to Android full time, but I still think Android has a lot more to offer than iPhone does, just because apps like Nova Launcher. And it would be very nice if people can learn how to use them effectively, which is why I made this video. Anyways, if this video helped you in any way possible, please hit the like button. And if you want more videos like these, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. This is Geet.